Hey guys, Phil Nelson here. Just wanted to make a short video on how to make insulated window covers. So if you're thinking about making some privacy window covers, I've watched several videos on YouTube and I found for myself this was the easiest way to make the patterns. So with no further ado, we will start the pattern process. Okay, so what I'm doing is taking paper off of a roll. It's heavy postal wrapping paper. I cut the sheet in half, like about half the window size, to make it easier to work with. To try to do the whole window at once can be a little overwhelming. So as you press into the corners, you want to run your marker along the crease that you created when you pushed the paper into the corners of the window. As you go, you also use whatever kind of tape you have. It could be Scotch tape, masking tape, whatever works, whatever's on hand. So the goal now is to push the paper all the way out to the edge of the window where it meets the molding to form a crease that you can run a Sharpie to form a line for cutting. Then you take the second piece of paper and basically lay it over the first one and repeat the process. As far as trimming, it's always good to trim the material, not too much, but so you don't have to work with such a large piece of paper. Now that you have the pattern all done, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and just pull it off the window. You're going to go ahead and cut it out to size and just follow your marker. Yeah, you're on your way to making insulated privacy covers. All right. It's always better to cut a little large. You can always trim it later. There's your template for your bubble wrap insulated covers. In the next video, I will take the patterns, lay them on the bubble wrap, and we will begin making our covers.